Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find account number in Landbank. To do this, simply open any of your browser. I'm currently using Chrome browser on my laptop and go to Google and search your Landbank. And after this website will appear in front of you. Simply open this website. As you can see, this website has opened in front of me. After that, simply scroll down and at the end, here you will see hi, I am this, simply chat with us option. When you click on this option chat with us, here you can enter your name and your email address and your contact number and what is your concern, like what is your problem, what is your issue. After that you can submit this and they will get back to you, or either what you can do is 24 by 7 customer service. As you can see their email address or their phone number, simply call on this number or just email them and they will help you in this issue. So that is how you can solve your problem in Landbank and find your account number.